People, today I'm going to show you how to make professional website. For this tutorial you will need professional utility front page 2000, very good. So what you do is you have you're gonna click HTML, because in order to learn how to site you need to learn how to do HTML. If you don't want to do this, just use your brain and type that. But we are professionals here. We're gonna make tutorial very good for you. It's gonna help you in future. So first step is to learn what these things are. These are called tags, and you open a tag by just typing the name of the tag under these characters, and you close the tag by typing the name of the tag but with a slash. The slash indicates that the tag is being closed. So in this example I'll do P and I'll do hello, I am a faggot. Alright, so we're gonna close the tag by using slash. And if we save the website, now when you're saving a website you want to make sure you save as index, because most web servers use index.html as the page to look for when accessing a folder on the web server. So now I'm going to open the website using using web browser. You can see it has, because we have successfully written a word. Now you don't need P, but I recommend using it because it makes the site more sane to look at. So let's make this the title of the website. I'm going to rename the title from new page 1 to my good website. Alright, so I'm gonna leave the text here, and now I'm gonna wanna put an image on the website. So let's select a picture to put on the website. I'm gonna navigate to let's do, for example, have the CD in. No, I don't. Okay, let me put it from a CD here. Give me a second, please. It should be, let's put for example, maybe this picture. That's good. That's a good picture. So let's do this one. So what you do with this is you do img src and you put in quotation marks the name of the picture. Now you don't close the image tag because it's a bit of a different story, but basically what this means, the image img means image and source means the source path. So you either type the file name if it's in the same path as the HTML you're writing, or you type a website URL with the image inside of it. So I'm gonna put the name of the file name of the picture. Make sure you include the name of the extension, which is in this case it's .jpeg. So 040.jpg. Save, refresh. You can see, congratulations, we have put a very nice picture on the web page. Now what if we want to center both the text and the picture? Well, that's fine. So I'm gonna do another thing called center, and a close center when you don't need the centering anymore. Now we're also gonna make the text a bit higher, so let's put heading 1. Now H1 means heading 1, and it goes from 1 to 5. And if you have ever used Microsoft Word, you'll immediately understand what this word is. So I'm going to refresh again, and you can see, wow, people, we have successfully put very nice thing. So now the next thing we're gonna do, actually let's put a heading to just to we need advertisement, go play, and then we need to switch to I need to switch the, where's the keyboard controls? Okay, I can do that instead, it's fine. Oh, come on. Let me see, you asshole. Okay, it's fine. Give me a second, I have a technical problem. Okay. There you go, we type very nice text. This says Butasan, and Butasan means Mr. Pig. It's a very nice game, you should play today. There you go. So now we save, and there you go. Now this hiragana depends on what encoding you have on the website. Now because of my language settings on my computer, you can see it already has set me charset shift JIS. Shift JIS is the Japanese character set that is used by Windows, and front page will set it for you when you open a new website. So now that we have learned what character sets are and how do you set them in your website, the next thing we want to do is put a background to this website, because nobody likes this shit. We want to put some nice picture. So let's get a nice picture, for example this time from the Windows directory. Let's put maybe this one, that sounds like a good one. Now let's rename it, just to make things easier, to bg.bmp. And now what we want to do is you repeat the same process for image source, but except you put in body background equals, and then under quotation marks the name of the picture. In this case here you don't put the URL, you just put where the image is on your website. So you can see now we have a beautiful website. And now let's learn more things. The next thing we're going to learn is how to make a link. So you have two types of links. One is a link where you click on a picture, and the second one is when you click on text. So I want to do the one where you click on text because that sounds a bit more easier to explain. So what you want to do is you want to type href equals, and then you're going to do something like this. Now the formation of this command is that a is the tag and href is the hyperlink reference variable, and here you type an actual URL to something, and this between this character and the closing of the tag is the text that's displayed on where you click on to access a page. So in this case here we're gonna put a very nice website. I'm gonna put the Wikipedia article to the game. So I'm gonna open a new tab, type in Buta-san. Let's put the English one in this case. So I'm gonna copy, paste, and save. And now if we refresh, you can see here, if I hover my mouse, you can see in the bottom left on where it leads to the Wikipedia article. Now remember when I mentioned that you can make an image embed to a website? Well, I'll show you how to do that too. So what you do is you go to image source and you repeat the same process. So I'm gonna do that, and in this case for this picture we're going to put the official website of the, let's see what website we can put. Let's put batserb1.typo.com, very good website. And now you can see in the page there's a noticeable blue border across the picture. Now we want to get rid of that, right? We don't want this shit on the screen, that looks disgusting. Now there's a lot of more things you might want from to learn about HTML, but in this case I'm not gonna torture you with this stuff because it's really boring. I'm just teaching you how to make a basic website where the only purpose is to just display what you want without anything extra, without having to use any kind of specialized stuff that's completely unnecessary. So in this regard, the next step is to do the following, which I'll show you what to do. So in the exact same line here where href is, I'm gonna put in the next following stuff. So you may see in image we're gonna put in so I'm gonna put in border equals 0, and you can see that's how you get rid of it. You just put the border as 0 in the image as a variable, and the blue border is now gone, and it just looks like a part of the page, and when you click on it, it leads you to the website and it works perfectly. So there you go. That's how you make a basic website in HTML using the professional utility Microsoft Front Page. And you can see in normal, there's the web page, and in preview, that's how it looks like. So I hope you liked this basic tutorial and video. If you want more tips on how to make a very good website, let me know. Thank you very much. Good night. Goodbye.